Creating CSV files from your tachograph data is very simple. First of all, you log in. If you're using Track 90 Fleet, then you get a code for free access. When you've logged in, you'll see any files that you've already uploaded. Just upload your DDD file. Just browse to where you've saved a DDD file and upload. You can upload multiple files. We're just going to upload one file. Here it is. Then you see that tachograph file has been added. You can see their timeline and you can scroll through that if you wish. Here's where that driver's work commenced. You can see a daily breakdown. You can see the full data table. And importantly for Track 90 Fleet, you can see their country log, where you can see all their Schengen stays, and you can download it for Track 90. Just click download and it will download the CSV file that you import. You can also do this for all of your drivers at once. Once you've done that, it's saved to your download folders. You can just upload that into Track 90, and I'll show you how to do that as well. So once you go to Track 90 Fleet and you've logged in, just go to Tachograph, and then you just select the CSV file that you've just downloaded from TachoViewer. Here it is coming in. There it is. Import. There's the driver name. And if we go to the dashboard now, here's the demo DD file, which has been uploaded. And we can see they've stayed over 91 days. If we click Fleet Planner, we can then plan for how we can use them in the future. Here are their days. And we can see their days start adding in during March.